2026, most of the people, they are not depending on the salary, they are depending on the side hustle, like side income. So in this video, I'm gonna explain the 5 way without any investing how to earn money. I'm gonna explain, and if you can follow that, you will earn at least 3,000 to 5,000 in a month by the side hustle. So let me explain this video. This is Yeasin Hustle, and I always talk about side business and income, outsource income by the different property. So in this video, based on Dubai, I'm gonna explain the 5 tutorial business where without any investing you can earn the money. Okay, so focus on this video until end so you can learn a lot of things by. First of all, if you are in Dubai, then that is multiple opportunity for you. You can really earn a lot of money, but if you are in the positive mindset, so the first thing first, you need to be positive about the mindset. And the second thing, like as for 2026, everything is like as digital. So previously the people, they are always depending on the different things, but in this video I'm gonna explain how to work a smart way to earn money by the side hustle, at least 3 to 5,000. It depends on your work. So the first things about the Fiverr. Fiverr is the freelancing companies where you can explain, you can give them your service, and there is a like 2 way. There is a different property, they are gonna come and they're gonna hire some of the worker, and if your CV or your work skill is matching with the requirements, then you can go there, and it's working like daily basis, hourly basis. So what you need to do, go to the Fiverr, create your accounts and upload your details. The second part is Upwork, that is also similar with the freelancing part. That is one of the biggest safety right now as per in UAE, when you should not work like by different property. You need to work based on the legal property where your money, your work, everything will be valid with the documentary. So that is one of the biggest achievement for you to work like as a freelancer for the 2 parts. And there is no investing any money, like there will be nothing charged, like only when you are getting a work, you need to work according to the description and you need to deliver them, and they are the one who will gonna give you the payments once they receive the work. That is things. Third things about the drop shipping. Right now, that is like global business for the drop shipping. You can go directly the Shopify and you can create your accounts and you can buy the package like for $1 per month. So you can get like as a trial for 3 months for $3. That is not a big amount. You can create your own store, like it's individual accounts, and there will be no physical activities. Only what you need to do by online, like you can create your Shopify store, you can create your banner, and you can explain what exactly the things you're gonna sell. So you can hand it like by the different China or different buyer. You can supplier, you can find out, and you can get the items listed in your drop shipping store, and whenever there is a sales, you can get your like profit based on that. And I have a video also for that. If you want to get it, you can get by my face, and you can send the comment box where I can explain to you about that. So number 4, is Amazon fulfillment. It's working based on commission, like you're gonna promote their product, and whenever buy through your link, if someone want to buy that, for example, like you are promoting something, let's see about a gadget, okay, any kind of gadget. So the gadget is like around 10 dirham in Amazon store. So what you can do, you can send your like the different friend circle or others people, and you can get it if they are buy through your link. Again, just remember, if they want to buy through your link, then only you can get the commission, like you can get 10% or 20%, you can get the commission. That is very simple and very easy way to make money. Number 5, it's a remote work. So the remote work, most of the people, we don't know that like what kind of remote work is similar with the freelancing, how it's work. You can find out the company, like the event management company, organization company, different company, and you can prepare your CV professional way. You can prepare your CV. What you need to do, you need to get their HR email address or WhatsApp contact number, and you can send them the details, like you can work for them to communicate with the customer. If you are really willing to talk about English and if you really know that, then only. So what you need to do, you need to communicate with the customer and you need to get the feedback and you need to provide to the companies, and you can get like some of the others work as well, like based on that, because event management and the properties company, they have multiple work, like as a remote they're gonna give you for 2 days, 3 days, 5 days, and you can set your price with the company, but that is fully secure. So if you are really focused on that, you can really earn that at least minimum 3,000 to 5,000 in a month. You can earn it. That is very pretty simple and smart way. Right now 2026, everyone working. And if you like my videos, follow me so you can get more different stories and information where it's really work. And if you want to see the hiding place in Dubai, you can visit. In the description there is my YouTube channel, Yeasin Unfiltered. You can go there and you can click the YouTube and you will see there is a lot of different hiding place. Most of the people that doesn't know about this place.